Hey, what's up? My name is Jona and I really wish you good luck with starting your channel or trying to grow your channel. Now in this video I'm going to show you a free way on how you can actually rank better for your videos, on how you can find better keywords for your videos. So let's jump over to the computer and I'll exactly share how I do it. What you're going to do is the following. You're going to go to YouTube, you're going to open it in an incognito tab and you're not going to be logged in. That way you will kind of have more general results and not results so specifically targeted to you. So now we'll type in how to get more YouTube. All right, and what I kind of see now actually is things that people search for, things that people actually type. So people, for example, type how to get more YouTube views, how to get more YouTube subscribers, etc, etc. Now all these things, all these sentences can be good keywords for your video. So start typing something that relates to your video topic, or like a specific keyword that you know is really related to your video, and then actually look here at the search bar of YouTube what people are actually typing, what sentences they are typing.
Jona here, and if you actually really want to grow on YouTube, I would highly suggest you to use TubeBuddy. Check out the link in the description. You have a free version and you have a paid version. I myself use a paid version, and I think that it really benefits my channel with all the amazing keyword exploration you can do, etc, etc.
I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're really gonna have some luck with that and some more views. I wish you the best and see you in the next video.